What's up, everyone? It's me, Mac, and King coming at you live. Man, you lick my lips, man. Come on, relax. Don't do me like that in front of everybody, all right? What's up, everyone? It's me and King coming at you live from inside the house.
I'm here too.
Bruh. And we are going to hydro dip. I'm super bored, and I want to get out of the house. I'm suffering, from like cabin fever because our state, we're on, what do they call it?
Stay at home.
It's called stay at home quarantine, but I've been trying to follow the rules. But anyway, what I want to do today, I'm just going to hydro dip anything that I see in the house. I'm going to walk around, and let's say the first thing I see, I'm just going to hydro dip it. Ooh, look at this. This is a thermos. It's not a, what do they call them? What are they called? No, the thermos, what's the other one? A hydroflask. Flask. This is not a hydroflask, but it is metal. And
I really don't want to be in the video.
You don't want to be in a video?
No.
Why not?
You're on my nerves.
Look at this.
I'm trying to grade paper. Stop.
Stop what?
My hair's not done.
That's okay. All right, we're going to keep it moving. I know it looks beautiful already, but I'm going to take it and I'm going to actually make it look a lot better.
Fam lifestyle.
Fam lifestyle. I like that. Could you say that loud?
No.
I'm what you call a certified professional.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Hydro dipper?
Yeah, hydro dipper.
You've done it twice.
I did it twice, but I have also, I went on to like YouTube and Google, and I have observed at least 10 different videos. I'm pretty experienced right now. Look, just follow me. I'm going to dip this. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back. I have my workspace set up. And right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fill this tub, this basin, what's another word for it?
Bucket.
Bucket with water. So with that step, we filled our bucket or our tub, doesn't matter what you want to call it, with water. And then the next step, we're going to take our colors. We have the Krylon Color Max Gloss Rich Platinum Purple. It's a nice gloss finish.
It doesn't say platinum. It's
What is
plum.
The finish. I said platinum finish? Oh. Should not have said platinum. Y'all know what I mean, man. Good gracious, coronavirus season. Gonna have our Krylon Glossy Enamel, nice red color. Okay, so that's the second color. Third, we're gonna go with the Krylon Fusion Gloss Jungle Green. That's beautiful. 3 cans, 2 hands, I made it work. Okay, so you see what I have. So let's go. Now this part can be tricky. I'm not the best at this, but I am an expert. I am a professional, so I'm going to do what professionals do and make it work. So let's go.
Yeah.
object. I'm going to dip it in the hydro dipping chamber. I don't know what this is called. I'm going to call it
bucket.
In the bucket, full of paint. So I'm going to spin it as I dip it at the same time. So I don't even have gloves. Let me get some gloves. We have our thermos and we're going to dip it. Let's go. I don't have the gloves on. I should have used gloves. I'll do that next time. Dang, we ran out of color. Had like little splotches in it. I don't feel good about this, but I'm going to make it work anyway. I have my purples, my reds, my greens, and I'm feeling real good about this right now. So,
I have another one of those.
you have another one? All right. So what we'll do, this one, we're going to do a number two. The number two thermos, because I don't like this. I'm going to be real. This thing is kind of ugly. So hopefully the second one is going to be way better. All right.
Take two.
Take two. Woo. Okay, so after attempt number one, I did learn a few things. First thing I learned is I learned that I want to first come in and use sandpaper on our object. Okay. You just want to rough the surface. That feels really good. Okay. Rub that off. Object is done. First attempt, it definitely, I hate to say it because I don't like to admit when I fail, but that first attempt was definitely an epic fail. I took an L on that. So last night I took an L, but right now I'm going to bounce back. Drake, call me, man. Stop acting funny, man. Email, text. Right now, I know you're not doing anything because of the coronavirus, so just call me, man. All right?
That's a Big Sean song.
Yeah, Big Sean. Hey, call me, man. All right, here we go. We're going to mix it up again. It's windy out here. About to dip it in the water.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, we did it. I love it. We got full coverage.
Let's go.
Everything is good. I love it. Let's go. That's beautiful.
Wow.
I just finished dipping our thermos here, and I couldn't be any happier with the results. Like I said, the first time I took an L, but this second time I think it was a great success. I just feel good about this thermos. I feel good about life as a whole. So if you got anything out of this video, please, I'm not going to say please one more time, but please like, comment, and subscribe. Drake, call me, man. Stop acting funny, man. Email, text. Right now, I know you're not doing anything because of the coronavirus, so just call me, man. What's up, everyone? It's me, Matt, coming to you live from inside the house during the coronavirus.
Ew.
I'm what you call a certified professional.
Hydrodipper?
Yeah, hydrodipper.
You've done it twice.
I did it twice. The water is turned off. That's magic. I have the Krylon Color Max Gloss Rich Platinum.
It doesn't say platinum. It's
What is
plum. Yeah, but plum. You said platinum.
Is that platinum finish?
No, you said gloss rich platinum.
Purple. It's a nice, what's it, satin? Gloss finish. Should not have said platinum. I don't know what I mean, man. Good gracious, coronavirus season. It's bright line with the gloss finish. Glossy finish? High gloss. I don't know.
Yeah,
They
it's
shine.
gloss.
With the glossy enamel finish. I want to start over because that was terrible. All right. Once again, if you got anything out of this video, subscribe, turn your notifications on to all to Fam Life TV so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Peace.